If you're new to Apollo and want to learn exactly how to send emails using sequences, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear and simple way. By the end, you'll know how to create, customize, and activate a sequence that sends emails automatically for you. Start by opening your preferred browser. Type in apollo.io and go to the official website. Once you're there, click the login button. You can sign in with your email or use your organization's SSO option. Choose whichever method your account supports. After logging in, you'll arrive at your main Apollo dashboard where all your tools and features are located. To send emails through Apollo, you'll need to create a sequence. Look for the option that lets you create a new sequence and click on it. You'll see multiple ways to build your sequence. You can create one from scratch for full control, use AI assistance if you want Apollo to help generate ideas, choose a pre-formatted structure if you prefer something simple, or clone an existing sequence if you already have one that needs slight changes. Once you choose your method, name your sequence clearly so you can find it easily in the future. A descriptive name also helps you stay organized when you manage multiple campaigns. Next, you'll choose the days and times when your emails should be delivered. This scheduling feature ensures your messages go out at the most effective moments, increasing the chances your recipients will open and engage with them. After setting the schedule, add the contacts who will receive your sequence. This step is important because Apollo won't send anything until you attach your contact list. Now it's time to build the steps inside your sequence. A step can be an automated email, a manual email, a phone call, or even a LinkedIn action. For sending emails, select the email step and start writing your message. Keep your tone clear, friendly, and focused on your goal. Make sure the content feels personal and easy to understand to encourage replies and engagement. Look over your full sequence once more. Check the schedule, your contact list, and your message content. When everything is set, activate the sequence. Apollo will take over from here, sending your emails at the exact times you selected. And that's all you need to start sending emails with Apollo. It's a simple workflow that helps you automate communication, stay organized, and save time while reaching more people effectively. If you'd like help with another Apollo feature, just let me know.